Ever been stuck on the side of the road with a dead battery? It's frustrating. Well, today we are going to review something that could be a lifesaver in them situations. The ACMOUNT Jumpstart Kit. A portable, powerful tool designed to get your battery back to life in minutes without needing the help from another vehicle. As always, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. We get on to the rest of the stuff. I just want to take a moment to appreciate how good this case is. It's protective. That's what it looks like from inside. Yeah, double zipped, and it's also got the strap there as well. Some paperwork. Tell them if you're happy or you're not happy. Car Jumpstart Kit instruction booklet. It's in different languages. USB-A to Type-C charge cable, and the clamps, positive and negative. Onto the jump starter. Has good build quality, this. Compass there, some branding. If I tap this once, it brings up how much power you have left. If you long press this, we have a torch at the front that will come on. 3 different modes. To turn it off, we long press the button again, it will go off. At the back we have information. Output there of the ports. Emergency, if you lock yourself out, you can break your window, although that may be expensive, but if you don't have a choice, at least you have this there to help you. On this side we have the USB ports. USB-C in, that's to charge the power bank, and we have 2 USB ports here. This one, the one that's coloured orange, that's a fast port. On this side, engine start. This would go in there, and it only goes on one way. It's flashing red and green to let me know that there is power in there. Features of the ACMOUNT Jumpstarter. ACMOUNT say you can start an engine up to 10 litres of gas and 8 litres of diesel, up to 60 times jump start on a full charge, and this is of course suitable for car, truck, motorcycle and so on. It can be used as a power bank to charge your smartphone, iPads and other USB devices. The Jumpstarter has multi-protection. ACMOUNT claim this will hold its battery for 24 months, which is fantastic. I would recommend, if you're going to go on a journey, check the battery before you leave. Just to show, I have my Google Pixel here. I'm putting this into the fast port. So it's charging and it's letting us know there, output fast. It's just saying output 5V 2.1 amp. So that's a slow charger. So if you're going to charge your iPads, use the coloured port there. Okay, just to do a demonstration, my car battery doesn't need charging. I just thought I'll show you how to use this. And the red wire would go through the positive terminal, and the black one, there we are, you can see it's gone green. All I would do now is I'd push this and then I would start my engine and the car will start. It's as simple as that. Fantastic piece of kit. In my opinion, everyone should have one of these in their boot or glove box. Nice compact size. You don't need to carry jump leads anymore. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.